Friends, welcome to my workplace at Ranaghat, West Bengal, India. Let us observe totally unedited management of this posterior subcapsular cataract. This is the main incision with a 2.8 mm steel keratome at around 11 o'clock on the posterior aspect of the limbus. Now, the antechamber is filled up with 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. A side port is made on the left side of the main incision about 3 clock hours away. Now, capsulorhexis is done with the help of this Utrata forceps. Capsular tag is raised. This capsular tag is guided anti-clockwise all around to get a large rhexis. Size of this rhexis is about 5.75 mm. This is hydrodissection with a 27 gauge cannula and BSS. And now, in hard cataracts, it is difficult to hold the nucleus with vacuum. So, I am using this pre-chopper to divide this nucleus. First, it is divided into 2 heminuclei, and then one heminucleus is subdivided into 2 halves. And now is the time to go into the anterior chamber with the Phaco handpiece. The machine being used is Pharos from Otley, Switzerland. The Phaco needle goes with its bevel down. Some superficial cortical lens matter is removed, and then one nuclear piece is emulsified, then the other one. And now the heminucleus is placed in front of it, and it is chopped and emulsified. Ultrasonic energy used in this case is 50%, flow rate is 45 ml per minute, vacuum is 450 mm of mercury. This is the epinuclear sheet. It came out easily. And now I try to remove a small portion of the cortex by the Phaco needle itself. Now I come out, inject visco, and this will maintain the anterior chamber nicely, and the chance of touching the posterior capsule by the Simcoe will be reduced. So always inject a bit of visco before introducing the Simcoe cannula. Go through the left side port and remove the subincisional cortex. So cortical cleanup is done, and now the irrigating probe is used to polish the posterior capsule. This is hydropolish. And now the main wound is enlarged by 0.1 or 0.2 mm. The main incision size becomes about 3 mm. This is a B cartridge, and a single piece monofocal intraocular lens goes into the capsular bag. Note that Sinskey hook was not used to dial the lens. The left hand instrument did everything. And now a bit of moxifloxacin is injected into the anterior chamber, and then the side port is closed by hydrating corneal stroma on either side of this wound, and then a final lavage of the anterior chamber by the Simcoe cannula. At this time, whatever visco sticks to the corneal endothelium is removed by directing a gentle stream of BSS towards the corneal endothelium. The antechamber is nicely formed. Integrity of all the wounds are checked. Few drops of moxi is applied over the ocular surface, and the case is concluded. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope this video will help you in developing your surgical skills. This is a totally unedited recording, and see how fast it was done. The surgery took only 4 minutes and 27 seconds. But always remember, Safety is more important than swiftness. Don't be swift, be safe.